Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at best auto repair shop software in 2025. AutoLeap versus Shopmonkey versus Techmetric versus Fullbay. Running a successful auto repair shop in 2025 means more than just fixing cars. It means managing your team, communicating with customers, keeping track of parts and inventory, handling invoices, and staying ahead of the competition. That is where modern shop management software comes in. In today's video, we are diving into a detailed comparison of the best auto repair shop software for 2025, featuring four of the top platforms in the industry: AutoLeap, ShopMonkey, Tekmetric, and Fullbay. Whether you operate a small general repair shop or a heavy-duty fleet repair facility, each of these solutions offers tools to help you streamline operations, boost efficiency, and scale your business. Let us start with AutoLeap, which has quickly become a favorite among shop owners looking for a reliable all-in-one solution. AutoLeap stands out with its sleek, modern interface that is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for teams who want to get up and running without dealing with a steep learning curve. The platform offers a comprehensive range of features that let you manage everything from appointment scheduling and work orders to inventory and parts management, all from one centralized location. This makes it easy to stay organized and keep operations running smoothly. What sets AutoLeap apart is its digital vehicle inspection tool, which allows technicians to perform detailed inspections directly from their mobile devices. They can capture photos, add notes, and send comprehensive reports to customers instantly. This boosts transparency and helps customers make informed decisions about their vehicles. Plus, AutoLeap includes customer communication tools, so you can easily send updates, reminders, and service recommendations to keep your clients engaged and informed throughout the process. AutoLeap also offers automated follow-ups and built-in marketing features that allow you to nurture customer relationships and grow your business. Whether it is sending personalized offers, maintenance reminders, or special promotions, you can automate your outreach to keep customers coming back. And with the real-time reporting dashboard, you can quickly view key metrics like sales, technician productivity, and customer satisfaction, making it easier to track performance and make informed decisions that improve your shop's bottom line. Next up is ShopMonkey, a powerful cloud-based platform designed for auto repair shops that prioritize speed, accessibility, and a modern, seamless customer experience. What sets ShopMonkey apart is its intuitive interface, making it incredibly easy to manage all aspects of your shop's workflow. Whether you are creating repair orders, gathering customer approvals via text or email, or tracking parts and inventory, ShopMonkey allows you to get things done with just a few clicks. This user-friendly design ensures that both your team and your customers benefit from a fast and efficient process, minimizing downtime and improving productivity. Plus, with real-time updates and cloud-based access, you can stay on top of everything from anywhere, whether you are in the shop or on the go. ShopMonk also offers features that evaluate the customer experience, make administrative tasks a breeze. It supports two-way texting, enabling you to communicate directly with customers in a way that feels personal and responsive. The platform's digital inspections allow technicians to document and share vehicle conditions with customers instantly, adding a level of transparency that fosters trust. On the back end, ShopMonkey integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, making accounting and billing a smooth, automated process. This integration eliminates double data entry and keeps your finances organized. With its focus on professionalism and streamlined operations, ShopMonkey is especially popular with shops looking to maintain a polished, efficient image while ensuring that everyday tasks run like clockwork. Then we have Techmetric, a highly flexible platform that offers a comprehensive set of features for more established or more multi-based shops. Techmetric is known for its robust reporting tools and customizable workflows, making it a great choice for owners who want full visibility into every aspect of the business, from technician productivity and parts profit margins to customer retention, service quality, and overall shop performance. It supports real-time labor guides, technician time tracking, multi-location management, and a wide range of integrations with parts suppliers, making it easier to streamline your entire operation. With Techmetric, shop owners can then fine-tune operations and create systems that scale as their business grows, ensuring both efficiency and profitability while adapting to changing demands. And finally, for those in the heavy-duty or fleet repair service, Fullbay is hard to beat. Built specifically for diesel and commercial repair shops, Fullbay is packed with features tailored to meet unique needs of these industries. For example, it includes DOT compliance tracking, allowing shops to stay up to date with the Department of Transportation regulations and ensure that vehicles are properly inspected and compliant. In addition, Fullbay tracks technician certification records, helping you maintain a skilled workforce and meet industry standards. Another standout feature is the platform's ability to handle service scheduling for entire fleets, making it easy to keep track of multiple vehicles, their maintenance schedules, and service history all in one place. This is especially important for businesses with large fleets that require regular servicing and quick turnaround times. Beyond that, Fullbay excels in managing the complex inventory needs of high-volume commercial repair shops. The platform makes time tracking easy, ensuring accurate labor costs, and allows for job-based billing, which is crucial for shop starts based on the type of service or specific job completed. Additionally, Fullbay offers customer portals, enabling fleet managers to stay informed with real-time updates on vehicle repairs, costs, and service history. This transparency not only builds trust with customers, but also improves communication and streamlines the invoicing process. Fullbay isn't just a basic shop management tool. It is a comprehensive platform designed to maximize efficiency and meet the demands of high-volume commercial repair business, helping them stay organized and profitable while delivering top-notch service to their clients. So which software is the best fit for your shop in 2025? Well, it really depends on your specific needs and goals. AutoLeap is ideal for general repair shops looking for an all-in-one platform with strong marketing and customer retention tools. Shopmonkey is perfect for busy shops that want a sleek, cloud-based system that simplifies day-to-day tasks and enhances the customer experience. Techmetric suits larger or multi-location shops that rely heavily on data, reporting, and workflow customization. And Fullbay stands out for diesel and heavy-duty shops that need powerful tools tailored to fleet management, compliance, and technician productivity. At the end of the day, the best auto repair shop software is the one that fits your specific and unique workflow, your team, and your customers' specific needs. Choosing the right platform can help you reduce admin time, boost revenue, improve communication, and ultimately build a more profitable, scalable business. If you're still on the fence, many of these platforms offer free trials for demos, so you can explore the features firsthand before making a decision. And that is all there is on best auto repair shop software in 2025. AutoLeap versus Shopmonkey versus Techmetric versus Fullbay. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.